What is the true cause of disease? And has humanity actually discovered the true cause of disease? I would like to suggest to you not. And the reason I suggest to you not is because have a look at the local hospital. I don't know what it's like in America, but in Australia, the average weight in casualty now, you would call it emergency, do you call it casualty? Is 8 hours. My brother-in-law recently had a chainsaw accident where he chainsawed part of his finger. One tendon was cut, the other one half cut. 8 hours he waited in casualty to be seen. 8 hours. So it makes a lot of sense to understand what causes disease in the human body, because then you can take the next step, and that is prevention. And of course the old saying is prevention is worth a pound of cure. Absolutely. So let's have a look at the two most popular theories. I call them the two Gs, the gene theory and the germ theory. Am I right? And notice with the germ theory and the gene theory, the germ theory, a germ has made me sick. Do you know what that does? Takes away all responsibility on the human being for what's happening on them. Let's look at the other theory, the gene theory. It's in my genes. Notice again, it takes away all responsibility on the human being for what's happening in their body. Yeah? Let's just have a little look at this double-banded helix strand. And let's look at what makes it up. The outside strands are made up of polysaccharides. It sounds like a very complicated word, but let me break it down from you. Poly means many, saccharides means sugars. And polysaccharides, basically, we're getting from all the food that we eat. So the outside strands are made from polysaccharides. The inside bands are made from amino acids. And amino acids comes from the protein that we eat. The glue that glues the amino acid bands to the polysaccharide edges is minerals. Do you remember Hippocrates' often quoted statement, let food be your medicine and medicine be your food? And Hippocrates didn't know about the DNA. But when you have a look at the DNA, what's it made up of? What we eat. If you were to get all the information that's in the DNA and put it in alphabetical language, it would fill 1,000 books with 1,000 pages and 3,000 letters on each page. Wow. When I understand that, I'm reminded of what the psalmist says. I will praise thee, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Marvellous are thy works, and that my soul knoweth right well. Wow. What an incredible body. We're made up from what we eat.